Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about MDI Gurgaon. What kind of colleges, what are the kind of placements, what are the cutoffs, and whether you should apply for this or not. So let's start with the overview first. So there are 237 PGP students, 260 HR student and 45 IM student which sat for the placement this year. And out of them the average salary, median salary is 19.82 lakhs, average is around 20 lakhs, and the highest domestic placement is around 40 lakhs. So that's kind of a placement we are looking at. So obviously we need to understand who are these students and where they came from. So talking about the breakup here, freshers is 33%, 1 to 24 months of work ex 38%, and 24 months plus 29%. Now those who think they are very old for MBA, 29%, almost 30% of the batch have experience more than 24 months. And those who think they're too young for MBA, 33% of the batch is this. So it's a perfect mix of, like any other top B school, it's a perfect mix. 33, 33, 33, that's what I normally say is average breakup everywhere, like any other B school. So that's a good part here. Okay, around the breakup is same for across the board. Gender wise, 32% female, 68% male. So they have maintained a very good gender ratio. Engineers 80%, non-engineer 20%. Now that's like where the problem is. Like other B schools, engineer to non-engineer ratio is still hovering around 80%, which is, trust me, still better than IIMS, because IIM the ratio is touching around 90%. Yeah. Now moving to the other side of this thing, top 10% of the batch. So all you have to do is get into the college. So once you are in among these people, top 10% of the batch have got an average salary of around 28 lakhs. Now that's the best part. So now people talk about the average. एवरेज पे उसके ऊपर भी है, उसके नीचे भी लोग हैं. सो एवरेज इफ आई लुक एट 28 lakh salary, 26 lakh salary for the top 20%, and the average top 50% is earning a salary of 23 lakhs. So if you are in the top 20% of batch, your salary will cross 25 lakhs. That's what the average package we are looking at. That's where the fees does not make a difference, because the fees you're going to pay will be around 20 lakhs, but that includes your accommodation, hostel, everything inclusive. I've stayed in MDI for my summer internship. For summer internship we normally go to the other cities. So I did my summer internship at PepsiCo. So we were staying at MDI. So trust me, it's a beautiful campus, a red brick building, just like I'm in Ahmedabad and in Gurgaon. So it's a campus wise, it's a beautiful campus. I still remember the Maggie which was made outside the campus. I don't know whether the stall is still there or not, but the Maggie was this should be very famous Maggie wala bank opposite to the college. Yeah, campus wise there's no problem. Hostel was very nice, the rooms were very nice, very big as compared to the other places. So in that point of view there's no problem at all. The only problem now, that's what we're talking about, is the cutoff, because you have to clear the cutoff to get admission to the college. Now September 11th is when normally the form come, and November 22nd is the last day to fill the form. CAT is on 24th, so you have to fill the form before the CAT is over. That's where the main problem starts, because I don't know whether I will be able to score that much or not. Average CAT percentile of the person who got through MDI is 98.6, and the form is 3,000 rupees. I don't mind filling the form if you are going to give me a call for JDPI, but that's the main problem. Cutoff, they're not going to disclose the cutoff. That's the beauty. They just want to apply for the form कि भाई तुम पैसा दे दो आके, ठीक है, माल हम तब दिखाएंगे जब तुम पैसा दोगे. Then we'll conduct the JDPI if you clear the cutoff. And cutoff they don't tell. So this is what I have searched and googled and asked other students. The last person who got through MDI is at 96 percentile. So safe score is around 97, 98 percentile is what is good enough, I think, to get a call from MDI. So your target this year is to get 98 percentile. Now if that's the main problem here. If you ask me after the CAT result is out, I will love to fill the form like IIT Bombay. Score आया, score आने के बाद you have to fill the form. If you are 99 plus, you will fill the form. If you are less than 99, you will not fill the form. Here you have to apply beforehand, and they're not going to tell you the cutoff, what is going to happen. Now how will I find out before even the exam happens how my CAT was? Was it good? Was it bad? I don't know at all. So that's something we have to find out, or we have to guess on the basis of the mock score. That's what I recommend. Now 95 percentile is around 120 marks. So here 97 percentile. So if you are scoring 97 percentile, 95 percentile plus, that is 120 marks plus, then fill the form. Otherwise wait till last day. November 2nd mean 1-2 days before the exam, CAT exam, we can fill the form. Now MDI is a beautiful college. MDI, IFT are at par with the So you can fill the form, but the problem is कि कट ऑफ आएगा कि नहीं आएगा, कल कट ऑफ लिए होना चाहिए, that's the main problem. So fees is high, but average salary is also high, so that doesn't make a difference from that point of view. Everything is clear. The only thing left over is the cutoff. So that's my thumb rule is simple. 120 marks CAT में ला दो, apply for MDI. If you're not scoring 120 plus in the mock score, stay away from MDI. So you have 22nd of November, CAT का 2 दिन पहले तक you can fill the form. So लगे रहो, जब तक 120 पार, your average score should be 120 plus. If you're scoring 120 plus in the especially last 4-5 mocks, then apply for MDI on the safer side. Then you're safe. Then you can have a very good chance to get a call. But if your score is touching 100 or 110 or 10 or 80 or 70, it makes no sense to waste your money. 3,000 is not a small amount of money. It's a huge amount of money. I always compare it with beer. Take 100 rupees ka dot on a normal day, on a offer day. So 99 rupees you are spending 30 beer ka mugs. मैं तो पीता नहीं हूँ, तुम लोग को मालूम ही है, तो jokes apart. So 30 beers of mugs of beer you are wasting to fill the form if you are scoring less than 120. So like this, I'm going to make a video for every exam, whether you should apply or not. So giving you the complete detail about the college and then talking about whether you should be there or not be there. So it's a brilliant college, everyone should be there, but the problem is the cutoff. So only 120 plus if you're scoring the mocks, you are feel free to apply to the college. If you're scoring less than 120, then it makes no sense to apply for the college. Yeah, that's my thumb rule. That's my analysis. So those are scoring like 80, 90 today, you have time to improve. If you improve yourself, touch 120 plus, then apply. Yeah. Alright, so that's what I wanted to cover up here today. Give you the complete overview about the MDI exam. So I'm going to come up with like this for every college which is there, every top college, at least the top 30 colleges, whether you should apply or not. So please do subscribe to the channel so you can get all the updates. And we're launching our workshop for the CAT exam for cutoff clearing to help you clear the cutoff. MDI, trust me, is ranked above most of the new IIMs, especially at par with the main IIMs, because for example, if I compare with IIM Indore, they have the similar packages. But IIM Indore, because the intake is touching 500, so MDI is at par with all those colleges. MDI, IIM Indore, IIM Lucknow. Yeah, but 120 plus is required. All right, all the best. Thank you.